Sergeant. He broke through the bridle trail and headed down Pepper Tree Lane.
He's probably heading south. I'll alert the Riverton Police Department. In the meantime, your units can head on down there.
Right, Sergeant.
Officer, can I speak to the sergeant?
I'm sorry, it's for official use
Well,
only.
you see, I gotta speak to him. He's all wrong.
Yeah, I'm sure of that. All right, fellas, move out for Riverton.
Where do we go now?
See Sergeant Cassidy.
Why?
Because I think he's wrong.
I wonder what Cassidy will say this time.
Whoever did this is just like any other crook. He's got the money. Now all he wants to do is get as far away from this town as possible. And if you ask me, he's on his way to Riverton right now.
But Arnold's different. He'll want to come back, become visible, and establish an alibi.
Now, son, that's just a guess. We got this whole thing pretty well figured out. It's about time you got here.
Well, I'm sorry, Sarge. They had me out looking for an invisible car. Now I think the department's going nuts.
You do, huh? Well, come on, let's get to Riverton.
We might as well go on home. We've done all we can here.
Hey, wait a second. We gotta get my car.
Oh, yeah, I forgot about that thing.
What do you mean, that thing?